Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
I got your belly. I got you.
Bailey, you want a treat?
Yeah.
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
Gary, help me! Come here and help him right now. He's hanging himself.
Hey yo, Trooper, where the hose at?
Subscribe and like this video in 3 seconds, and make this delightful dog happy again. 3, 2, 1.
Bro, look at that new drip. Looking fresh as hell. Just like that badonkadonk.
Gay rights! My god, are you homophobic?
For you, Little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
Ну что? Ты почему себя так ведешь?
Hello, this is my house. This is Satana. He's my friend. Let's go.
You're scared. Oh my god! Oh my god, please!
Haven't seen my cat in a month and she does this, bro.
Yeah, I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
Time